Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet for contractors. Scheduling difficulties are a major cause of client churn. Protect your company against contractors and subcontractors' no-shows. It's easy for contractors to forget about a meeting, especially when they have a busy schedule. With Appointlet, you can easily send reminders and confirmations and keep track of all the details. Appointlet makes it easy to schedule meetings online so you can focus on your work. It eliminates the need for complicated forms and allows you to book a time whenever you want. Invite multiple contractors to set up their own availability. Set up and manage all members from one place. Pull your team's availability and auto-assign meetings. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation, sign-up takes less than 2 minutes and you won't need a credit card. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.